I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're going to be going over a Coach product. Now I know a lot of you have probably finished your back to school shopping. However, right now this year it's really trendy amongst the rich and famous to get their little ones a designer bag of some sort to go back to school. So I thought I would join in on the hype on something that is a little bit more affordable. This right now is on sale, but would make the perfect back to school backpack. And so let's open it up and take a look at what your little son or daughter could have for school. Now, this is a little small for anything above grade school, because then you start getting into your larger textbooks. But just as... oh, it's wrapped pretty good. I mean, when I was a kid, I had JanSport. And it was either a blue JanSport, a green JanSport, or a black one. And that was it. But imagine being able to send your son or daughter to school in this absolute beautiful Coach backpack. If it would focus. Focus. Okay, we've lost focus completely. There we go. This is by Coach. It has a nice large front pocket. It's already unlocked, but it has a locking mechanism to make it a little harder to get in and out of for just people walking by and opening it. So we'll unlock that again, and we'll look in there. Oh, of course, my nemesis, Fluff. Alright, let's get rid of all of that. Oh, wow, it even has... it's pink on pink, and it's going to be extremely hard to see. But down in there, it says Coach on the pink fabric. So this is just a really good, like, pencil area or what have you for your knickknacks. And then we'll lock this back up. On the side here, there's a little pocket. Oh, it's little. I don't know what you would get in there, but it's there. You've got a pull tab right here to make it easier to zip and unzip. We've got a handle to hold it so you don't have to sling it around your back every time. And then this I thought was quite interesting, the way that it splits right here. And it's adjustable down here quite a bit. Currently we're on about the, we're on the middle. But you can get quite a bit through the straps in there. And on, let's see, the side we haven't looked at is this Coach side here, but it's the same problem. It's just a really tight pocket. It's not really useful. So let's dive into the actual backpack itself. It's got two zippers, so you can meet them at the middle and the top. Oh, just tons of fluff. Oh, poison. Alright, let's see if we got it all. Okay. And one last little doohickey. This is what it looks like on inside. This is what I was talking about on that front pocket. You've got Coach written in there. And you've got your big old Coach patch. And then another zipper pocket on the back, which It's about 4 inches by 5 inches, so you can get quite a bit in there. And then here on the front, you've got a little slot for papers or whatnot. Oh, it's not that deep though. Never mind. You can put your flashcards in there. That would be really good for flashcards. It's not really that big, so if you don't want to send your son or daughter to school in a Coach backpack and have them be the talk of the school, then this can be your cute little day bag. It is very adjustable, and you could rock it yourself. Oh wow, I just noticed this on the front where your strap would be. It's got a Coach tag. I'm going to attempt to put this over my gorilla back. Okay. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I mean, I would adjust it a little, but a little day pack for just going out, doing whatever. It's absolutely perfect. So whether you want to completely rock your child's world with a designer bag for school, imagine showing up to kindergarten in a Coach, or if you want this beautiful backpack for yourself, I highly recommend it. There's a lot of qualities about it. I mean, it's Coach. Every time I review Coach, I'm just like, oh, look at this, and oh, these slide good, and this is meant to last. So you get what you pay for. You're getting a really fine product, and that about wraps it up for this review. Thank you so much. I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet.